This is a fit for a 2014 through 2018 and possibly beyond Land Rover, Range Rover Sport with factory installed flush side rails. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars in black with integrated legs. This front position is part number 7604B. It connects to the flush side rails using part number KIT 4039 fitting kit, which includes the contoured rubber bases and rubberized metal brackets which grip to the edges of the flush side rails. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 30 inches from front to rear, center to center. This rear AeroBlade Edge bar is also part number 7604B. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds, evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof when equipped. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Please visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.